How to make $45 an hour typing online. If you are looking to increase your income online, watch this video carefully until the end. First, we go to Modscott.com, where content moderation takes center stage. Content moderation is a vital role in the online world and is responsible for ensuring that content posted on various platforms is appropriate for all users. As a content moderator, your primary role revolves around identifying and flagging offensive or inappropriate comments made by others with the purpose of immediate removal. Your role may include the important task of validating user-submitted data and carefully removing spam. To maintain a safe and pleasant online environment, to become an integral part of the Mod Squad, you can easily start the process by visiting its dedicated team registration page provided for content moderation rules. You'll find that compensation typically ranges from $10 to $20 per hour, which reflect the value placed on the important role content managers play in ensuring online space or respect. Feel free to start your own program. Scroll down to the middle of the page where you'll find the white button. To the top, a simple click on this button will get you on your way to joining to Mod Squad or starting a full content mode. The title appears as a platform that opens up income opportunities by putting your trusty keyboard to work in the realm of freelance writing. Website essays to persuasive social media creations from writing, thoughtful essays to driving into the complex world of research and writing research paper and accessing royalties is as simple as typing text royal into your browser address bar while navigating to the exact page to apply as. A writer on royalties can pose a slight challenge which the website compensates for with a wealth of essential information. Text royal writers are rewarded for every hard word they make, with the potential to earn as high as 30 cents per word. Text royal is eligible for higher paying projects. A feat achieved by constantly delivering flawless quality work life points. An app that you can start on this income generation journey anytime and anywhere. Thanks to its compatibility with Android and iPhone smartphone, this app has managed to get 1 million downloads on the Google Play Store, a testament to its popularity and the commendable 4.4 star rating. It notable offer multiple options for withdrawing your hard-earned earning, include Regible, PayPal, and creative Amazon gift cards that kickstart your journey with life worth of points. Just a simple click on the Join Now button will set the wheels in motion and guide you through the user-friendly registration process. Before continuing with the video, be sure to subscribe us and press the bell button to stay informed about our tutorials. Now let's dive into our world of online earning opportunities, starting with data from acciondata.com. To become an independent contractor that uses your keyboard for data entry. To begin this journey is to go to the Accion Data website in the recruitment section, and you can visit their site as an independent contractor. That the beauty is in your independence. Get that access. You can set your own working hours and you will be rewarded for every document or submission you successfully complete. The higher your potential income, the greater your success. Now we come to another promising opportunity, wingassistant.com. Here you can, instead of a virtual assistant who offers your skills and expertise to various businesses that need virtual support, the assistant acts as a middleman who seamlessly connects you with businesses looking for your help. As a virtual assistant, your responsibilities go beyond writing emails or writing in general. Content you may be involved in a variety of tasks such as planning vacations or handling phone calls. Businesses looking for virtual support typically pay from $500 to $1,000 per month, depending on the level of service you need. Full-time based on the tasks you undertake. To start this journey as a virtual assistant, simply click on the provided link and follow the user-friendly instructions on the website. The next platform is called mypoints.com. This platform offers an interesting challenge where you can collect points by answering questions and participating in surveys, which can later be exchanged for attractive rewards. While a mobile app is available for your convenience when choosing to use a website, it often offers a smoother user experience. The sign-up process for this platform is simple. Once you sign up, you will be entitled to generous $5 sign-up bonus. All you have to do is provide your email address and set your password. Have the freedom to choose how you want to receive this reward. With 2 attractive points currently on the table, an Amazon gift card or a Visa gift card, after completing the registration process, you can start earning through a variety of attractives, including participating in online shopping surveys or even participating in fun games. You can easily collect your points, turn them into more gift cards, and increase your earning potential by exploring these platforms. At the same time, you'll be in a position to potentially boost your income, diversify your income streams, and ultimately take a significant step toward empowerment. Take money.